If you are considering a separation or a divorce, you may not know where or how to start, or even if a divorce is the right answer for you. I'm Jenny Bradley, owner of Triangle Smart Divorce, and to help you get started, I put together this list of the 7 things you need to know when considering separation and divorce in North Carolina. First, you do not have to go to court. If there are disputes which you can resolve through compromise and agreement, then you won't have to go to court. You do have to file a lawsuit to get your divorce finalized, but you can hire a lawyer to go to court and get that divorce for you and never step inside the courthouse. Number 2, you really do have to be separated for a year before you can file the lawsuit to get a divorce. In North Carolina, you must live in separate homes to be separated. Sleeping in separate beds and not having sex does not meet the state's definition of separate and apart. Number 3, you do not have to wait until you're divorced to resolve custody, child support, alimony, or asset and debt division. These are separate legal issues that can be filed with the court and heard by a judge or settled by an agreement anytime before divorce. Number 4, you do not need an agreement, court order, or other document to be separated in North Carolina. All you need is to be living separate and apart with the intent of one of you for it to be a permanent separation. Number 5, you cannot file for divorce and be living together. We see this a lot in the movies, but in North Carolina, one of you has to move out of the house, apartment, condo, or wherever you're living together. Number 6, you need to gather your personal and financial information right now, before you move out of the house, or before your spouse moves and takes the documents with them. These documents are necessary to figure out property and debt division, calculate child support, and determine if alimony should be paid or received. And lastly, number 7, you can get divorced in North Carolina without hiring or even speaking to a lawyer. However, talking with an experienced divorce attorney before you begin the separation or divorce process is a smart idea. A lawyer can listen to the facts of your situation and give you expert, practical advice about your legal rights and options. We have created a service called Vision Planning, where we help you craft a strategy and a roadmap for your situation, including whether or not it's smarter for you to recommit to your marriage or to separate. If you're interested in learning more about separation and what it might look like for you, give us a call and we'll help you evaluate all of your options.